underneath its keel. The main purpose of this ceremony is to bring good luck to the vessel, shipbuilders, but especially to captain and the crew and all who may sail in her. The tradition of this ceremony, well, it dates back, it has a long history. In the earlier times in the wooden ships, the lucky coins were placed underneath the center timber, the keel, well, where the production just really started. Now the production methods have been evolved, and today behind me you can already see approximately 200 meters of new cruise ship being built, although we just started the hull assembly. Shipbuilding is not all just about traditions and so on, what I just stated. It's also about special people. And next, I want to invite some special persons to place the coin. And for the first, the main lucky coin, I would like to invite Senior Vice President from Carnival Cruise Line, Mr. Ben Clement, and our CEO, Mr. Jan Meyer, to place the lucky coin.
I guess we need. Good. Should be started.
Okay, next, whatever we do here at the yard, we always need a blessing from the Classification Society. So from Rina, Mr. Pier Monceroni.
Wearing a scarf because it's really cold. Are you going to say a few words?
No. Yep. They didn't tell me.
And we are also extremely honored to have the new senior officers here with us today. So the first, Captain Mr. Giuseppe Chiusa. Next, Chief Engineer Ferdinando Ruocco. Next, Holder Director Pierre Camilleri. Next, Carnival Brand Ambassador John Helad. Somebody help John with this phone.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you. Oh, we got there. Sorry. I thought it was for to keep. All right, so there you go, everybody. There is the coin that thousands of you are telling me you wish you had yourself, but this is going to bring the ship so much luck and so much joy and so much happiness. And our huge thanks to the brilliant people at the shipyard here who are going to be building your Mardi Gras. And as you see, the coin celebrates the Mardi Gras, which was the first cruise ship for Carnival Cruise Line. And here we are, some close to being 50 years later, with the new Mardi Gras. What a very special moment. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Okay, next, Head of Project Management, Meyer Turku, Mr. Tom Degeman. Okay, next from the owner side, Director of Project Management, Carnival Cruise Line Shipbuilding, Mr. Fabrizio Timossi.
And now a close-up of the captain.
And next, Project Manager from the owner side, Mr. Simon Patterson. So we can also get a one. Well, I think that went well. So we can also see that shipbuilding is also about teamwork.
There you go.
Okay, next, Mr.
Little look
Volanen.
at that. I'm going to say a few more words now.
Yeah.
God, I look good, don't I? How you doing? Do I look like a... I look like some strange incarnation of a YMCA band member, don't I? Oh dear. Anyway, we've got lots of things going on here today, and they've just finished the coin ceremony, so I'm just going to come around here and just show you again that there are the three sections here of the ship which will be joined together. Hello, everybody's filming me now. You film me, and these they will be brought together and rested on these blocks, and it never ceases to amaze me as many times as I've seen this, how these just blocks of wood on a bit of a concrete just hold up the ship. It's just quite incredible to see. It really is. So there's a little live look of the coin ceremony, and I'm going to have some special news about one of those coins in a few, well, sometime later today. Okay, so stay tuned, lots more to come, and we'll have an interview with Pierre, the hotel director, and a few of the other people as well throughout the day. Wish you were here, everybody.